Hi, MAT exam registration is going on. Let us see how to register and all the important details related to that. Before you start the registration, go through these important links. Test dates is given here. Paper-based test is happening on 13th December. Okay, this 13th December 2025. Registration closes by 7th December. And there is one more attempt, computer-based test. The test date is 21st December and registration closes by 15th December. Okay, once this is over, next see the test cities. Okay, so it's already here, test cities, so that when you apply, you can choose the centers easily. So where all the exam is conducted is given here. Okay, you can check zone wise also. Computer based test, say if you see south zone, these are the places exams are conducted. This is for CBT. Okay, CBT date is 21st December. Okay, and a particular zone you can open and you can see which are the exam centers. Okay, similarly for paper based test, you can click open and see which centers exams are conducted. So if it is Tamil Nadu, then it is Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai. Okay, Tiruchi it is conducted. Okay, Bangalore it is conducted, Hyderabad. Okay, these are the places it is conducted. If you see computer based test, you have more centers for CBT always. So note down the centers which you want to use for when you apply for when you fill the application form. Okay, next you can also see B schools here, participating B schools. Okay, you can click here and you can see which colleges accept the MAT exam. The complete list is given here. Zone wise it is given. You can select your particular zone and you can see here. And there is one more thing new here actually. This international thing is new. If you click on this, you can see that BITS Pilani Dubai campus accepts the MAT score. Okay, so that is what given in the official website itself. Okay, aima.in is the official website. So under this is the new one included recently. So under international, which B school accepts MAT score is given here, BITS Pilani Dubai campus, right? MAT exam structure is given here. You can see the same like language comprehension, critical reasoning, maths, data analysis, economics and business, each 30 questions. Total 150 questions, 120 minutes. And you can note here all 5 sections count toward your MAT score, which means this GK section, current affairs section is also counted towards your composite score. Don't miss that. And when you scroll down, you can see the fees you need to pay for this exam. So if you are planning to do PBT or CBT, just one mode means it's 2,200, and if you're planning to do both, okay, both the modes, then it is 3,800 is the exam fee. And you have to have these details handy, mail ID, photograph and signature and the payment before you start your registration. Okay. So now you understood everything, test date, test cities and which colleges you can select. Now you can start the registration process. So click on this one. Okay, so this is the official website. Click this. Okay, mat.aima.in. This is the official website. In this, if you already have an account, click login or otherwise register. So when you register, you can fill up all these details: full name, email address, phone number, select the state, city. You enter any password. Remember to save the password somewhere. Okay, and then click on this checkbox and register. So once you click on the register, you will get a mail to validate your email ID. Okay, so whatever mail ID you enter here, you will get a mail to validate your mail ID. So you have to open your inbox and click on validate email. Okay. So when you click register, this is the page you will see. Thank you for registering with MAT exam. A verification mail is sent to your registered mail ID. Kindly log in and complete your application process. So first you should validate mail ID, then only you can start your application form. Okay. So once this is done, once you click on validate mail itself, it will take you to the dashboard, application dashboard. Or otherwise also, if you want to do it little later, you can click login. So this is see when you click on validate email or when you log in. Okay, this is your dashboard. So here you can select, this is the only thing open, all the other things are closed. Like so, December MAT application form, click on apply now. So here first thing you should select which mode. Okay, this is conducted in PBT and CBT, right? So first test mode. Say if you are, it is recommended to do both the attempts. Say PBT I do. Okay, test date. Okay, it is 13th December. Okay, test preference you have to select. You can select any place, say Chennai, Coimbatore. Okay, 2 preference you can give. And do you want to apply for another mode of exam? Yes. Okay, so click on, it is better to take both the attempts, but if you prefer, you can do just one also. CBT is another mode of exam and the test date is 21st December. City you can choose. Okay, say Chennai. Okay, Coimbatore I select. Okay, right. So are you person with disability? No. Okay, so you can either save and exit and continue later on, or move on to the next one. So every page gets saved automatically. If you want, you can log in later and you can continue. So next, you should keep ready these things: a passport size photograph, a soft copy of this. Okay, so you have to save it as a JPEG or JPG or PNG, and the photo size is given 10 KB to 50 KB. You have to save this, and you should have your signature also kept ready. The dimensions will be given in the next page. Okay, so keep these things ready before you start your application process. Okay, 10 KB to 50 KB. Similarly, signature in a white paper, just give your signature, take a photo of that. Okay, and then convert it to JPEG or JPG or PNG. Already when you take a picture, it will be in this format mostly. Otherwise, you have to convert it to this format, and the size can be 5 KB to 20 KB. Right, so keep these two things available. Okay, keep it ready, and here it is given which is accepted and which is not accepted. You can't wear coolers or cap, okay, or mask. Okay, so like this. And signature also, which is correct and which is incorrect. You shouldn't use black, like use no red is also not allowed, only blue color is allowed. So these things you should note down. You should write it in capitals. Okay, so like this. So once it is ready, choose the file and upload it. Okay, choose the photo and the signature and upload it. The next page is something important: management institute choices. So you can select the colleges where you want to apply for, or you want to send your maths course to. Okay, so we can you can select 5 management institutes if you have chosen one mode of test. If you are doing 2 mode of test, you can select additional 2 management institutes. Okay, so now because we have selected 2 modes, we have choices, 7 choices we can select. Okay, we can select from this drop down. Say let me choose, I can type here and you will get it here. Say I choose CRISE Bangalore. You can click on add. Okay, and then you can choose any college, say Shiv Nadar. Okay, Birla Institute of Management, Greater Noida. Okay, Street. Okay, some colleges may not list here, but still they will accept the math score. Okay, so the colleges which list here, they will get your details directly, and they will send you they will send you mail, or they will send you about the MBA details. They will try to reach out to you, all these things. Okay, so I'll randomly select. I'm just randomly selecting. Okay, so it's done. Okay, 7 colleges you can choose of your choice. Okay, this is the random choices. Okay, you can select as per the zone wise. Now next is make payment. Okay, 3,800 is the fee for 2 mode of exams. You can make this payment, and once the payment is made, next you have to fill up certain details like your 10th mark, 12th mark, UG details. Okay, all these things you should do after completing the payment. Okay, after this it's nothing, it's just you have to fill up your details. For more information about MAT exam updates or how to prepare, about sections, everything, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.